Hey everybody, we're back. If you're new, thanks for joining us. I'm Shannon. That's Yaya. Click that subscribe button, please. And if you're not new, thanks for coming back. Y'all, it is Ipsy Day. Yaya and I are matching. We've got Mommy and me going on with our Vampirina shirts. My friend made them for me. I will link all her information below. She also has a YouTube channel, but her shirts are actually pretty nice. So I'll link that below. Let's get into this though. The first thing we have here is Murad Skin Smoothing Polish. Ooh, it's an exfoliant. This retails for $38. It is full size, made with gentle buffing beads. This scrub gets rid of dead skin cells, rough patches, builds up your pores for a complexion that's smooth, soft, and radiant. So I'm excited for this. Y'all know I picked this because I love Murad, so I feel like you can't go bad with them. Or you can't go wrong, not go bad. The next thing we have is Aceology Lifting Treatment Mask. So it looks like you just put this mask on for 30 minutes and then your face is sparkling shiny. This retails for 69 bucks, y'all. That's a lot. The closest thing to a pro facial at home, you just squeeze a small amount of the product onto your finger or a brush and apply a thin layer, sit back and relax for 30 minutes. Let's look at this. It's a lifting treatment mask, luxurious remedy, something about aging. Rewind the signs of aging. It's in like a metally kind of tube. Cruelty free. Oh shit, it just came out on it. It's coming out. I don't have any kind of paper towels. Just filmed a TJ Maxx video, so I have this trash here. Okay, so be cautious when you open. Be cautious when you open that. Doesn't really have a smell. You want to smell it? Doesn't really have a smell. It's kind of, it's the same color as the tube, I'll say that. Kind of this off gold shade. Yeah, cautious there. I don't have baby wipes. I always have baby wipes and I don't. Yeah. Let me try to clean this up before I get it everywhere, y'all. That's okay. Warning to the wise or whatever, however that saying goes, just remember that could happen to you. We did not get any add-ons this month. They just didn't have anything that appealed to me in that $3 or $8 section, the cheap section. So we didn't get any, but let's carry on. We did get a vitamin E balm. Let's give that to her. Here you go. I think that actually came in one of our Boxy or Ipsys before in the past. $24 for this full-sized lip balm. Okay, so the lipstick that we have on today, because I want to try this on, so I'll go over this really quick. We have this from NARS. It's a lip gloss in the shade Belize, and then this from Benefit. It's called Air Kiss. Very pretty. It's a sheer pink, but I just did a combo of both. I want to try this on, but I don't have any baby wipes, dude. Okay, let's try this. It's just a clear lip balm with that normal like plastic kind of applicator thing. Actually feels pretty nice, not gonna lie. Feels really nice. I'm not mad about this. I'm happy. I like, the girls use lip balm, I use lip balm, so we'll get some use out of it. And clearly we already see that the value for this bag is there. Then let's see. Let's go over this palette. This is the Otherworldly 8 Shadow Palette. We Are Fluid. This retails for $18. It's full-size eyeshadow palette, vibrant, blah, blah, blah. I already looked at it and I did not think like, oh, I love this. I feel like, honestly, I feel like this may be a little bit more on the cheap quality side. Not something that I'm gonna gravitate towards. I'll swatch a few, but I'm gonna give this to the girls. So that is very gritty. That purple is very freaking gritty. Hold on. We have this. This feels nice. This feels a little bit more creamy. Let's do the green. The green feels nice. Let's go with this darker shade here. Feels a little dry. That feels a little dry. Y'all, from the TJ Maxx video, sheesh. Okay, so we'll start down here. Yeah, it's that glitter is very gritty. Okay, so this is what those shades look like. Do have some paper towels. Let's just spray this. I don't know what I'm doing, y'all. Oh my gosh, y'all, I am a hot mess. If you want to keep up more with us on our daily lives, I have started posting to Instagram stories a lot. So that's a good way to keep up with us regularly and see like the real life struggles, because y'all, yesterday was a struggle.
We got good, huh?
I got a goo girls. The Goo Girls. Then we got this Vice art here. Retails for $38. It is full size. Mine is a little bit broken up there, but that's okay. I am keeping this one. She's pretty. Okay, so it opens up like this. Boom. Boom. Okay, so this is what that palette looks like. Super, super pretty. Not mad at this one at all. There's a nice plum shade in there. Very pretty. Let's just, I'm not going to swatch all of them. Let's just pick some randoms here. Very, 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 very pretty. Don't know if I love this flippy dippy thing. It's small. It could fit in your pocket. Even if you have like a pocket right there, it could fit. I like that shade. Oh, I like that too. Oh, that's beautiful. Okay, so this is what we're working with right now. Very, very pretty. Not mad at this palette at all. Pretty, oh, thank you. Oh, yeah. Getting weird here. Very pretty, not mad at it, happy that I got that one. Okay, so that one's super pretty, not mad at it. I honestly love this color story here, so I feel like there's enough product in here. I know that it's small, but I don't normally ever hit pan, so this would last me. This would last me for a very, very long time, so I'm happy about that one. We honestly didn't, I mean, I feel like this is a really short video. There's not much to talk about in it. I do feel like I got the value there because I love, love, love Rad, and this palette, this little baby palette, super, super cute. So
baby palette.
Yeah, baby palette. I will definitely use this. I'll get some use out of it. So I mean, other than this this palette that I would never use, I can still at least give to the girls to play with. So all in all, you know, the value is there for the $25 bag that it is. And then this is what the bag looks like. Just a little bag that says love on it and has some rainbows, and it says have fun. Here you go. Gift your friends a free palette. Oh, so if you sign up, you'll get a free Violet Voss Wildflower fun-sized palette worth $18, totally free. Send your pals to ipsy.com/June2021 while supplies last. So you can get a free palette if you want to sign up, but you're probably already signed up. And then this thing, it's like, okay, I'll try it out. I don't know if I'm going to love it, but you know, as long as it doesn't break me out or like mess my skin up, then it's worth a shot, you know, maybe it'll be great. Who knows? All in all, I know so many people complain, but I always find the value in my Ipsy and my Boxycharm, even though that last Boxyluxe, I'll link Boxyluxe below, but that last one I did get a lot of skincare, and it was, I wasn't overly like, yes, I love this box, but I wasn't mad about it either. Anyway, before I start rambling, if you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share.
Bye.
Bye.